Interpolation and extrapolation. During statistical research and investigation, for drawing correct inference from the analysis and description of data, it is necessary that the given series of data is complete. But sometimes we come across when some figures within the given series of data are missing due to some reason. To guess such unknown figures, the process of interpolation is used. Not only that, sometimes it is necessary to estimate the future value in the data series on the basis of given data. For such estimate, the process of extrapolation is used. For example, if the data of census in India, the population in the year 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011 are known, and on the basis of these data, population in the year 1968 or 1988 is to be estimated. The process of calculation of known as interpolation. And if the population in the year 2018 or 2021 is to be estimated, the process of calculation is known as extrapolation. Meaning and definition of interpolation and extrapolation. When on the basis of the given data, some unknown value in between the data series is estimated by some special method, it is known as interpolation. If the unknown value is estimated for a period outside the given series, it is known as extrapolation. According to W.M. Harper, interpolation consists in reading a value which lies between two extreme points. Extrapolation means reading a value that lies outside the two extreme points. The process of calculating the most likely value of some unknown terms in between a given data series on the basis of some definite assumptions is called interpolation. The process of calculating the most likely value of some unknown term outside the given data series on the basis of some definite assumptions is called extrapolation. Thus, interpolation and extrapolation are such statistical method with the help of which the best value of a dependent variable can be known for a given independent variable. The value obtained by the method of interpolation and extrapolation is the most likely value of the term. So it is not proper to expect it to be absolutely accurate, because firstly the data on the basis of which interpolation is done is itself based on estimations and probability, And secondly, the assumptions mentioned for interpolation and extrapolation on the next page do not apply always in practice. Therefore, the accuracy of interpolation and extrapolation depends upon the possible fluctuations in prices, related incidents, and through knowledge of the appropriate method of calculation. Data obtained by interpolation and extrapolation are accurate up to a standard level only. These are not completely accurate.